What is up, guys? JT back with you from Resident Dog Fishing. I'm revisiting an old project today. Goes back to the whole using fly rods only. Well, I want to get more elevation on my front casting deck with a casting platform. If you go back a while back, I built a casting platform. Haven't used it a whole lot because it was a little too tall. Well, the need has arisen, so we're going to revisit it. Put it back in the boat, make some modifications to it, make it work better. Let's do it. So there's the old casting platform in the bow of the boat. Let's chuck it in there and tell you what I'm going to do to it. And I think what I'm going to do, I just had a little too much height here. Just a little too unstable. So what I'm going to do is remove the rod holders I had back here. Those really won't work with fly fishing anyway. And drop it down so it's even with here. So that'll be right about the height of the gunnel there. Let's do it. Alright, so I got the main deck off. I want to cut these down so I can get this as low as possible. Alright, so I got these four cut, so they're all even. Move to the base, get that fit. That's a lot lower. So it got a little hot out there. I had to change to a t-shirt. But what I'm messing with now, this is the rear brace. And I had these are the old rod holders. I stuck off the back like that. And these are glued together so they ain't coming apart. So what I was trying to think of, that's the height that I took away. I still want the rod holders. So I pulled that rear piece out. And with these, make some inserts. And then I have another T I can put on the back side there and on the back side there. I just have to cut this piece to fit in here. I'm going to cut that and I'll show you how it's going to come out. glue those in, but with that set like that, I should have a rod holder. So there we go, rod holder. And rod holder. So this is the final product. I've cut probably a good 6 to 8 inches off of it. I even went as far as, instead of putting the butt caps on the end, took those off. That lowered it down 2 more inches. So I don't need a ton of height, but this will definitely get me, I think this is going to work out perfect. Let me throw it in the boat and show you how everything's going to look when we're out fishing. All right. So there's the modified rod holders we got there. I just used a piece of this just to get this up, my fly line bucket up higher, but I can reach the trolling motor. And that, let me put that away. And then when I'm running, trolling motor fits perfect. I won't leave the fly line bucket up there, but there we go. Modified casting deck. So there we go. Modified the old casting deck and it works so much better now. I don't know what it was height wise originally. I should have measured it, but 6 to 1, half dozen of the other. What matters now is it's at 13 inches maximum height and it's very stable. I was really surprised. I could move around, I could turn, bend over, and I could keep my balance very easily on it. And it gives me a really good vantage point. I'm up just high enough to where it's not unstable, but I'm up high enough to where I can really see the fish at a farther shot. And I was able to get some really good shots at some redfish. Saw a bunch. Again, my casting technique, still working on that. I spooked them when the line hit the water, so I need to figure out how to get that to where it lays a whole lot softer. And again, progressing with it. The weather's been crappy, so I'm not going to be able to get out for a little while, but got some more videos coming at you, getting stuff ready to go. Smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming up. Thanks for watching.